Rural roads are vital for economic and social development in some of the poorest regions of the world. However, many roads authorities struggle to regularly evaluate their roads using conventional methods. Without informed data on the health of their networks, communities will suffer as authorities try to prioritise essential maintenance. I'm Robin Workman, a specialist in road maintenance at TRL, a leading independent transport innovation and research organisation. We've been supporting road development internationally for over 60 years and are a leading innovator in condition assessment equipment. We asked several low and middle income countries what problems they faced with road condition assessments. Working with road authorities in Africa, we're leveraging innovative technology to enable countries to assess the condition of their unpaved roads regularly, cost effectively, and at scale, so these vital links can continue to serve their communities. Our solution categorises the condition of unpaved roads by applying machine learning to optical satellite imagery. We use pixel variation to classify the roads into condition categories and applied machine learning to make the process more objective and efficient. Our research in 6 African countries demonstrates the potential of the system, and current research with the European Space Agency is exploring the use of different spatial resolutions to reduce overall costs. Our aim is to help road authorities to reliably collect essential road condition data, which could be done at scale through geospatial asset management software. This vital knowledge of unpaved networks will allow the targeting of scarce maintenance resources where they'll have the greatest impact. The GI Hub's Infratech initiative is a timely opportunity to bring the authorities who could benefit the most into the process and inform the optimum strategy for market engagement.